We are here with the MBA Sol 2024 semester 1 question paper. The name of the paper is Business Communication. This is a very simple question paper and we will discuss it. In this question paper, there are 7 questions. You have to attempt any 5. First is mandatory, that is a case study based question, and from rest of the 6 questions, you have to attempt any 4. The first question is based on the crisis communication strategy. Here, the crisis communication is faced by the Apple company about the aging batteries, and they are launching the various models, and the previous models are deteriorating. So you have to discuss the key crisis communication skills which the company adopted to overcome this issue. You have to suggest also some additional measures, and you have to write a case study, and for the case study the conditions are given. So to attempt this question, you have to learn some case studies before attempting any question like that. So Google some case studies which is based on the crisis communication which faced by the different companies. So in the second question, you have to write short note on any of the two that is given over here. So this is a very simple question, you can attempt it easily. In the third question, for 12.5 marks, there's a case study given, and you have to write the importance of cross cultural communication and how this cross cultural communication created the differences in the people. And in the B part, you have to write some practical strategies which the company had followed to overcome this cultural barrier. Also, you have to write about the ethnocentrism. This is a very important question, that is ethnocentrism. So please learn it. Ethnocentrism, study about it. So this is the fourth case study, which is based on the interview. Interview is given by Rohan. So, and Rohan is like Rohan has cleared this interview. So you have to write the very strategies and etiquettes of Rohan which he had followed so that he is able to clear the interview. And you have to create the resume of interview, and you have to create the resume for this interview of Rohan. And here in this case study only the skills and abilities of Rohan is given. So you have to use this and prepare the resume for Rohan. This is the fifth question which you from this is the fifth question, and here you have to prepare the memo is an official notice which is given by the HR. And here you have to prepare the memo, and for preparing the memo, the conditions given, like the memo should introduce the newly adopted environmentalist sustainable policy in the workplace. In the sixth question, you have to write the different types of listening skills. You can also attempt the second. You can also attempt the non-verbal aspects while giving a professional presentation. You can also attempt this question from the A part. You can attempt any one question, and discuss the legal issues faced in business communication. You have to answer B part and A part both. In the last question, you have to attempt all the four: the principles of interpersonal communication, the role of active listening, and